Heidi ho everyone, it's a new Thursday and it's time for another giveaway. This giveaway is giveaway number 2. You can click the link below to get to the Google Doc that will have the question for you to answer. Put in your email address, answer the question, you will be entered to win. Giveaway number 2 will come to you in this beautiful purple envelope, and it will have these patterns. So it'll have this one from Tangletober, Intermingle. That was a challenging one. Here's Cadent. That's the one I was telling you about on the last one that I really like to do that one. That one's so much fun. Let's see. Here's this Iris one, which I really like. This one you may not have seen the video yet, but it's coming. Waffle Day. And then this one here. So those are going to be the ones that are going to be in this envelope for giveaway number 2. Giveaway number 2, let me tell you what the question is going to be. And like I said before, you have the opportunity to answer in each giveaway. So you will have 5 chances to win because there will be 5 giveaways. Everyone can enter to every giveaway. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. You can only enter once in each giveaway, but you can enter all 5 giveaways. Answer the question by midnight Pacific Standard Time, August 8th to be entered. Okay, and the question for giveaway number 2 is, which pattern type do you like best? Ooh, I have a misspelling there. I'm going to have to correct that. Which pattern type do you like best? And under the Pattern Dash Collections, under oh, my brain is just gone. You ever have those moments when your brain just goes? Well, mine just did. Under Pattern Dash Collections on the website, under the drop-down menu of, it's called Pattern. Oh gosh, why am I not? I'm just not getting it. Let me look it up. By framework. That's what I'm talking about. If you go to the little menu button and you go to patterns by framework, you're going to get glare. Let me turn off the light for just a second. Yeah, you're going to get glare. But if you go, you're at Pattern Dash Collections, you go to the menu button. There's the home. That's what you normally see. Go to this little menu button, go to by framework. And here's the different frameworks. So I've put a multiple choice question this time, and just select whether you like grids, ribbons, orbs and circles, freeform, or filler. You know my favorite is freeform, but and if you're not sure what constitutes what, go over here to the pattern-collections.com and just click on each one of these, and it will show you like orb, circle. It's like, how is it orb, circle? But it's all the patterns that have circles or orbs as their main base. Okay, they can still be a grid, like this one can be done in a grid, but it has a circle or an orb as its main base. So anyway, answer that question. Super simple, and you'll be entered to win. Easy as that, right? Make sure you answer by Sunday at midnight, Sunday, August 8th at midnight, and you will be entered to win. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have a great day. You guys do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. If you want to, because every one of these is going to have 5 drawings in it. If you want to give one away or 2 or whatever, feel free. The last time I did that, people really enjoyed giving away my art, which I think is awesome. Feel free to do that. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.